Most teams move to the cloud and somehow end up slower, more expensive, and harder to secure. That's because lift and shift isn't a shortcut, it's a trap. If you're a developer, ops engineer, security lead, or manager, this is why your cloud bill exploded and nothing feels simpler. You're applying data center assumptions to a platform built for ephemeral infrastructure, identity-driven access, and policy automation. Lift and shift sounds safe. Same systems, same architecture, new location. But cloud didn't just change where systems run. It changed how systems are built, secured, and operated. From identity-first trust to managed services to failure-aware design. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why lift and shift fails, what the cloud actually changed, and what modern architectures do differently. Lift and shift happens for understandable reasons. Deadlines, risk avoidance. Let's just get it into AWS or Azure first. The problem? You're moving static infrastructure, flat networks, and implicit trust models into a platform that rewards elasticity and automation. You're not modernizing, you're just paying someone else to host your technical debt. I'm Gia. I design enterprise architectures, and this is one of the most common mistakes I see, even in large organizations. If this is already explaining why your cloud environment feels harder instead of easier, hit like. It helps this channel reach more people dealing with the same mess. Lift and shift assumes the cloud is just someone else's data center. On-prem, we treat servers like pets. We name them, patch them, and panic when they fail. In the cloud, resources should be identical, disposable, and replaced automatically. Cloud platforms are API-driven, identity-centric, designed for failure, priced by usage, not ownership. If you keep static servers, flat networks, and hard-coded trust, you don't get cloud benefits. You get cloud bills. The biggest shift wasn't virtual machines. It was identity replacing network trust, managed services replacing self-hosted everything, scaling becoming automatic, not manual. Resilience, moving from hardware to architecture. This is the shared responsibility shift. When you lift and shift a database onto a VM, you still own the OS, patching, and uptime. That's undifferentiated heavy lifting. Lift and shift ignores all of this. Lift and shift environments. Over-provision compute. Leave servers running 24/7 at peak pricing. Over-trust internal traffic. Underuse native security controls. That's why breaches still happen, even in the secure cloud, and why security teams end up bolting zero trust after the fact. This is exactly why identity becomes the new perimeter. I break that down step by step in my Zero Trust architecture video. Modern cloud migration isn't lift and shift. It's designing for identity-first access, using managed services instead of self-hosting everything, embracing ephemeral infrastructure, migrating in slices, not big bangs. This is the strangler fig pattern. Modernize around the edges, then replace the core. Cloud rewards architecture decisions, not relocation. In an upcoming video, I'll break down 5 architecture mistakes I see repeatedly. And lift and shift is just one of them. Lift and shift feels safe, but it quietly locks you into legacy thinking. Cloud only works when architecture changes with it. If this video resonated, the next one you'll want is 5 architecture mistakes I see repeatedly. Lift and shift is just one of them, and it's not even the most expensive. Subscribe if you want clear real-world architecture breakdowns like this. New videos every week.